Hello everybody, this is Katerina, and today I'm gonna tell you about my favorite Lancome items. Of course, it's a very special set. I'm smiling because it's unbelievable, best deal of the year. Colors and quality, it's here. I'm serious, I can't even say what it is because I'm so excited. Okay, it's a purchase with purchase. You spend $42 and you will receive this beauty box for $72.50. What's inside? Let me show you, let me tell you. First of all, you're gonna have a big ginormous size of makeup bag. I always put some items which one maybe I don't use, or if I travel in this, it's perfect. You can put some your hair products. But look at this big gorgeous beauty box. I love these colors. Actually, it's come in like two different boxes. One it's warm color and another it's cool color. One it will be pink and another it will be gray. Of course, I am a girl, I love pink color. But what's inside? Inside it's 10 beauty products, and they are full sizes. Eye makeup remover 1. Second, it's face serum. Third, it's eye serum for your eye and lash. And it's all Genetic collection. It's in my hand, and you're gonna receive eye cream, one of my favorite eye cream. Again, now other two items which are inside of your beauty box. It's mascara, it's Définicils for sensitive eye. You have primer, my favorite primer. Then you also have a brush, double-ended brush. One you can use for eyeshadow, another you can use for bronze, for blush. But this is its most excited item to me personally, because first of all, look at this size of eyeshadow. It's so big amount eyeshadow in this palette. Also, this is your blush. Your blush. You have highlighter here, you have bronze here, and eyeshadow, they're not all shimmer. They have like some it's little shimmer, some it's matte. And of course, I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you how I use this eyeshadow palette. And this is very special set. I wish you all get it, this set from me, from your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Also, I have a 2 lip colors inside. One that's already on my lips, and another it's red. So it'll be like when I will go out to some fancy restaurant. But again, it's a purchase with purchase. You can call me, text me, or email me pre-sale first, because this set will go very fast. Again, it's purchase with purchase. You need spend $42, and this set you will receive for $72.50. But do you know if you're gonna pay separate for these items, how much it's gonna cost you? It's gonna cost you $555. Okay, don't waste your time. Right now, you call me, text me, and reserve your purchase with purchase Lancome. Okay, let's start. I will show you how I create this look. And if you want me to use different eyeshadow on this beautiful palette, please comments below, and of course I can make another eye look, because we have here 12 full size of eyeshadow. Again, comments below, and let's start. I have a foundation on my face, also eyeshadow primer from Lancome, and now we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadows. It's 12 colors here. Some it's shimmer, some it's matte. Also we have bronze, we have highlighter, we have blushes. Unbelievable. I will just pay for just this palette like $80 or $100 because unbelievable colors and quality. All what I can say, Lancome making like one of the best eyeshadow quality. Also, I'm gonna show you very easy look. And if you purchase this palette and you want me to make you another video, please let me know, comments below, okay? First, I'm gonna use big brush and I'm gonna use this lighter color and I will apply on entire my eyelid. Just setting my eyeshadow primer. Now I'm gonna use this double-ended brush, which one it's in your beauty box, and I'm gonna use this color is a middle a transition color, and it's also matte color. Okay, again middle color. We apply like big letter C. Also, I'm gonna use a small tiny brush and I'm gonna use same this color under my eyes. Third color, which one I'm gonna use this dark brown, and it's a matte color. I really like size of this eyeshadow. They're really kind of big, and again we have a shimmer and matte. Gonna use close to my eyelashes this darker color. Now I'm gonna use under my eyes. And I'm making like a little letter C. It's okay, it's not perfect because we're gonna use blending brush and we're gonna blend everything. Big Lancome blending brush number 17. I use only 3 color, and yes, we can finish and leave just like this because it's already pretty, but I really like this beautiful teal color, and I'm gonna put right here. And I also gonna use Lancome 24-hour wearing setting mist. I'm gonna use this with this teal colors. I just really want to do little extra pop today. For this pop, I have a flat brush. I'm gonna spray my Lancome setting mist on a brush, and I'm gonna go and use just on a corner this color. This color will go very rich and intense. Oh wow. Oh my god, how beautiful this color. Wow. For more eye lift, I'm gonna use right now this matte color black, and we're gonna make like a small tiny C. And applying very soft. And when I applying, pushing my brush a little bit up. And just look at one my eye and another eye. You can see how this is still down and this is getting up. Fake lift without plastic surgery. Now I'm gonna use big brush and I'm gonna just blend this black, soft black eyeshadow. Remember, this is also purchase with purchase. You spend in $42 and you can buy this beauty box for $70 to $50. But again, we have so much colors on this eye palette, and if you want me to use specific colors, please comments below and I will make another video. Now I'm gonna use small tiny brush, and again I'm gonna use this beautiful like a teal blue color. It's really beautiful, very pretty. It's actually very hard to find color like this. And I'm gonna put a little bit under, very softly. I have already on me foundation and concealer, but I will recommend, if you're gonna do eyes like this, first do eyes and then put your concealer and foundation. Now I have a big blending brush and I'm gonna blend. To finish this eye look, I'm gonna use liquid Artliner from Lancome, and I have a color brown with me, but you can use brown or black. We're almost done with eyes. I'm gonna use Définicils mascara. It's a natural mascara, but you can build to be a dramatic. And of course, I'm gonna use my favorite primer from Lancome with vitamin E. And this is Définicils mascara. Also, it's for sensitive eye. If you tell me or anyone say, "Oh, my eyes itching, my mascara bothering me," go with Définicils. Définicils, it's a perfect mascara for sensitive eyes. It's done. Now we're gonna do my face. Again, in this palette we have a blushes, we have a bronze, we have highlighter. Really pretty. Okay, let's start first with bronze. It's your bronze. Also, girls, I wanna say it's a perfect palette for traveling because you have everything in here. Okay, from your ear to your lips, just halfway. And this is brush, which one I'm using right now. It's in a box too. It's in a Lancome beauty box. Okay, from my ear to my lips. Color, it's very pretty for bronze. It's not too red, it's not too like bronzy. Beautiful color for bronze. And bronze making a big difference. It slim your face, it just gives you this pop, which one we missing. Now let's put bronze close to my hairline, under, to a little bit slim me. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter, but I'm gonna use very little. A little bit on my nose. We have two blushes here, and I'm gonna use these blushes together. Let's smile. Ooh, be careful with blush. That it's blush really pigment. I need actually different brush to little bit blend. Yeah, blushes really have lots of pigment. Again, be careful. I'm gonna put little bit blush on same brush, and I'm gonna put little bit above my teal color to give me a nice beautiful pop. Very pretty. For lips, I'm gonna use Natural Beauty number 126 color. It's really like a soft brown color, and we also have inside of this beauty box red color. Red, it will be too much, maybe it's more like evening, but I know softer lip color always looks pretty on my lips. To finish this look, I'm gonna use Lancome setting spray. My makeup gonna stay all day long, give me a nice beautiful pop. And of course, if you like this look, please comment below, and I will see you in my next video.